everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my taco, guys. I'm gonna show you guys my way how to make it, guys, and I hope you guys like it. I know you guys gonna like it after you guys make it. Please stay with me, guys. It's really good and it's really easy to make. And please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, guys, that's everything we're gonna need to make our taco, guys. We're gonna make two type of taco. We're gonna make one with shrimp and we're gonna make another one with steak, guys, because I'm a seafood lover, guys. I'm gonna make the one with shrimp for myself and the one with steak for my husband, guys. And we have our steak, guys. I'm gonna cut it. We have some fresh shrimp, guys, and we're gonna need some ground black pepper, guys. We're gonna need some garlic powder, and we're gonna do the taco kit, guys, and that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use two of them. Actually, we're gonna use this one too, guys. We have some lettuce, guys, some cheese, some fresh avocado, onion, tomatoes, and of course, every time I cook, I always put my Creole seasoning, guys. We're gonna use the Creole seasoning. Now, first, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna start cutting my steak. We're gonna do this. We're gonna cut it really thin, guys, so we don't have to like the meat that kind of too big one. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, now let's start with the steak first. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut this steak. Let me show you guys. There's some steak, guys, you already prepared, guys. You don't have to cut it. You can buy them like that, but I have this one. I'm gonna use it instead. You see, make sure you do them thin like that, guys. Let me take this one. You guys can see it. All right, we're just gonna cut them like small pieces like that, and I'm gonna cut all of them, guys, and put them in the bowl. All right, guys, what I did, guys, after I cut my steak, guys, I have some lemon, guys. I just washed my steak with some lemon and some vinegar, guys, and I did the same thing for the shrimp. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna start seasoning my meat, guys. I'm gonna do the steak first, guys. That's my Asian green season, guys, and I have it in another video, guys. And if you guys want to know how to make it, guys, you guys can go check on my video. You guys gonna see how to make the Asian green season, guys. We call it apis, guys. It's really good, guys. Everything I cook, I always put my green seasoning on it, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start seasoning my meat, guys. I'm gonna get only 1 spoon, guys. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna add it to my steak. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have this one, guys. It's taco seasoning mix, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit on my steak. I have this one. I used some of it before, guys, but I'm gonna put some of it on my steak. Sure you season your steak real good, guys. And I have some lemon juice, guys, which I'm gonna add to my steak. And I'm gonna add some black pepper. And we're gonna add some garlic powder, guys. I'm gonna do the steak first and I'm gonna season the shrimp after for you guys. And I have my Creole seasoning, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit. You don't have to add that much because this one kind of salty, guys. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just keep saying guys. Okay, I'm just gonna mix everything. Oh, okay. I don't want to make it spicy, guys. Again, the kids and my husband, I don't know. I love spicy food, guys, but my husband, he eat it, but he doesn't like it that much, and the kids too. And this steak is done, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cover my steak with a plastic bag. I'm gonna leave it on the fridge, guys, for like 30 minutes. But if you guys want, you can leave it longer, but I'm only gonna leave it for 30 minutes. Alright, guys, we're gonna season our shrimp now. I have some lemon, I just cut it. I'm gonna put some lime juice on our shrimp. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder, guys, like half teaspoon, guys. You don't have to put that much. I have the measurement, but I don't really use them, guys. And I'm gonna use half teaspoon of black pepper because I've been cooking for a long time. Even I don't use it, but in my head, I know what I put, guys. And I'm gonna put it like 1 teaspoon of, let me show it to you guys. That's the Cajun seasoning blend, guys. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it up. And I have another taco seasoning again, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit on my shrimp. I'm just gonna make sure the season go inside our shrimp. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna do the same thing for the shrimp, guys. I'm gonna put the shrimp on the fridge while I'm gonna start getting my tomato, my onion. I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna leave them on the fridge for now, guys, okay? Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do next, we're gonna cook the steak first, and I cook the shrimp after, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, but you guys can use vegetable oil if you guys want. But I'm using the olive oil instead. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna add my steak to the pan. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cover this steak for like 5 minutes, guys. You see, I'm just gonna leave it in the pan like that, guys. I'm gonna leave it covered, guys, for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Okay. Alright, guys, it has been 5 minutes. Let me show it to you guys. Now what I'm gonna do, because that's the way I cook it, I'm gonna add a little bit of water because I love when this steak well done. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Some people, they don't put water on it, but me personally, when I'm doing it, I always put some water, guys, so it can cook real good, guys. I'm gonna cover my steak until the water is, and it's gonna take about like 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, it should be good, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover it, let it boil for like 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Alright, guys, while this steak is cooking, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook my shrimp. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in the pan. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it hot a little bit. You see now what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna add my shrimp. When it comes to the shrimp, guys, it's like less than 10 minutes. The shrimp will be good. It's just steak that takes long to cook, guys. And I understand, because you have to make sure the meat cook real good, guys. Keep them good. I'm gonna let it cook, guys, for 5 minutes on the first side, guys, because I put it on slow, guys. Then I'm gonna burn, guys, because I want it to cook real good. And after 5 minutes, guys, I'm gonna turn it to the other side so it can cook for another 5 minutes, guys. Alright, guys, the shrimp is good. They look real good. Now what I'm gonna do, I have a lime, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of the lime juice on my shrimp. It's gonna give it, guys, a good taste. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do it. Okay. And it's good. I'm just gonna put it in a bowl now. The only thing we need to do now is the steak, guys, because we're done with the shrimp. Alright, guys, the water is done in the steak. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, let me show it to you, guys. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. And I'm gonna go wash my pan, guys. And I'm gonna show you next what I do with my steak. Alright, guys, what I just did, guys, I put some vegetable oil on my pan, guys. I'm gonna fry the steak a little bit, guys. You don't have to fry it for a long time. I'm gonna show you guys. You're gonna fry it only like for less than 5 minutes, guys. Let me see. I think the oil is hot. Now what I'm gonna do, be careful, baby. Back up a little bit. I'm gonna add my steak, guys. And guys, I'm gonna let it fry like that, guys, for 5 minutes, guys. I'll show it to you guys after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my steak is done. Look at that, guys. They look so good, real good. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm gonna put it on a piece of paper. The reason why I put it on a piece of napkin, guys, when you do it like that, guys, so all the oil, let me show it to you, guys. so all the oil can stay on the paper. It's kind of hot. I'm gonna take it, and after I take it, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter in my pan. And we're gonna add our tortillas. I don't know if I say good tortillas. And we're not gonna leave it for like less than 1 minute, guys. Let's say like 30 seconds in each side, guys. And we're gonna do it like that, guys. And that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna start putting our stuff, guys. And I'm gonna show you guys what I do, the magic. Alright, guys, I'm done with everything, guys. Look at everything, looks so good, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys all I put my taco, like everything on the tortillas, guys. Now first what I'm gonna do, I have my guacamole salsa sauce. Those one already made, guys. I just buy it like that. And I'm gonna add a little bit, not that much. And I'm gonna get my steak. You know what? Let me use my hand. My hand is raw clean. I'm sorry. I'm gonna add. Let's try to zoom on the taco. And I have the steak, guys. And thank you. It's good. Leave it like that. It's good. All right. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado, guys. We're gonna do the same for the tomatoes. And we have our lettuce, guys. Oh my god. Let me make sure I squeeze it a little bit. And I have my parsley. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. Of course, I have my cheese. I'm gonna add a lot of cheese, guys. That's the first one, guys, for the steak. Oh my god. Make sure it's real good. I'm gonna leave it like that. And next I'm gonna do one with shrimp for you guys. I'm gonna add my shrimp. I put like 4 shrimp for this one. Oh, I'm gonna add some onion. I'm gonna do some avocado, guys. And some tomatoes. Hope you guys see. And we're gonna add our cheese. Oh my gosh. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, guys, with those tortillas. I don't know if I pronounce it. Could I say tortillas? Tortillas is the same thing. Yeah, I know what I meant. I'm gonna do that. And what I'm gonna do for this one, I'm gonna add both steak. Please don't take my face. And shrimp. Let me add a little bit of the shrimp. Oh my god. We're gonna get some tomatoes. That looks so good, guys. And I'm gonna get some lettuce. And if you guys want some avocado, you guys can get some lime juice, guys. You can put a little bit of the lime juice on it if you guys want. I'm gonna do it like that. And last, we're gonna add our cheese, guys. My husband loves cheese and I love cheese too, guys. I'm fixing this plate for him, guys, as I'm showing it to you guys. And I'll add a little bit of more cheese. And voila. That's it, guys. That's it. Alright, I'm done with this one, guys. You guys, oh my god, they look so good, guys. I can't wait, guys, to eat them. And thank you so much again, guys, for watching my video. Please again, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless you all.